Listen closely. This is not just another electric SUV reveal. This is Buick rewriting its destiny with the 2026 Electra E5, a machine designed to shock skeptics, silence critics, and redefine what luxury electric driving truly feels like. Imagine walking into a silent white showroom flooded with white light, and there it stands, the 2026 Buick Electra E5. Calm, confident, almost breathing, promising something more than speed or screens, promising a shift. Because what you're seeing is not a concept dream, but a production reality that challenges Tesla, questions European luxury, and speaks directly to drivers who want power without noise, intelligence without confusion, and luxury without arrogance. And the suspense builds because Buick wasn't supposed to do this. Not like this, not so boldly, not so quietly, and yet here we are, facing an electric SUV that feels engineered for the future but emotionally tuned for today. And the real question begins to form in your mind as you watch this unfold. Are you ready to let go of everything you thought you knew about Buick forever? Because this vehicle doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. And right now I want you to stay with me because halfway through this video, you'll understand why this E5 exists, who it's really built for, and why skipping this reveal might be the biggest mistake of your electric car journey. So think about this for a moment. If an electric SUV could feel both calm and powerful at the same time, would that change how you drive every single day? Remember this feeling because we'll come back to it soon when the real purpose of the Electra E5 becomes undeniable. Watch closely, stay focused, don't blink, because every second matters. This is about movement, silence, control, confidence, efficiency, safety, innovation, balance, intelligence, comfort, sustainability, precision, and presence. And now here's the second shock. Buick didn't chase extremes, they chased experience. They built an SUV that doesn't scream performance numbers yet delivers instant torque that feels smooth, controlled, and reassuring. An SUV that doesn't overload you with gimmicks but surrounds you with technology that works when you need it and disappears when you don't. And from the first moment you sit inside the Electra E5, the experience angle becomes clear. This is not a car trying to impress strangers. This is a car designed to impress you every single morning, from the seamless startup to the whisper-quiet cabin to the way the road feels filtered and respectful. And here's where the strategic call comes in. If you're someone who values peace over noise, intelligence over excess, and confidence over flash, then this vehicle is speaking directly to you. And if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't just watch passively like the video. Subscribe to the channel and stay connected because the electric future is arriving faster than most people realize. Now let's go deeper, because the system behind the 2026 Buick Electra E5 is where things truly get serious. Built on GM's advanced Ultium platform, the Electra E5 benefits from a modular electric architecture that optimizes weight distribution, structural rigidity, and battery efficiency, delivering a balanced ride that feels planted yet comfortable. The chassis is tuned for global roads, absorbing imperfections while maintaining precise steering response. The software system integrates over-the-air updates, advanced driver assistance, adaptive cruise control, lane centering intelligence, and predictive energy management that learns your driving habits over time, making the vehicle smarter the longer you own it. And emotionally this matters, because trust between driver and machine is built slowly. And Buick understands that trust is the new luxury. This vehicle isn't just transporting you, it's supporting you, protecting you, and quietly adapting to your life, whether you're commuting daily, traveling with family, or driving alone, late at night. And there's something deeply human about that. Something comforting, something grounding, because the Electra E5 doesn't try to dominate you, it partners with you. And now let's talk technology, because this is where the 2026 Buick Electra E5 positions itself as a serious contender in the electric SUV market. The battery system delivers competitive range optimized for real-world usage rather than unrealistic laboratory numbers. Fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime. Thermal management systems protect performance in extreme climates, and regenerative braking is tuned for smoothness rather than aggression. Inside the cabin, you're greeted by a wide digital display ecosystem that blends infotainment, navigation, and vehicle data into a single intuitive flow. Voice control is natural and responsive, connectivity is seamless, and driver assist technology operates quietly in the background, enhancing safety without constant alerts or distractions. Buick's focus here is harmony between hardware and software, creating an environment where technology feels like a trusted assistant rather than a demanding instructor. And just when you think you understand what the Electra E5 represents, the surprise ending hits. Because this vehicle is not about competing for headlines or dominating spec sheets, it's about longevity, about building a relationship with drivers who want an electric future that feels calm, confident, and sustainable. And the real surprise is this: the 2026 Buick Electra E5 isn't trying to convince you it's the future. It's simply showing you that the future has already arrived, quietly waiting for you to step inside.